Disturbing news from the Kingston West Police. Children being recruited for crimes, and you'll be shocked how young some are. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, a child is killed as thugs fight for turf in Kingston.
Part 2 of Stoned Drivers. Can local cops test you if you smoke a spliff and drive? And can they charge you?
Andre Jemison has the answer. Then in more news on the roads, toll rates for the North-South Highway.
They're going up. And in business news, what of petrol prices? Will you pay more at the pumps?
There's also the health report, the business day, and sports in this newscast and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
How, if at all, do you think Usain Bolt's actions off the track affect his image and role as an ambassador?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.